So we are doing what we're gonna call mind challenge, and today we're doing the animal part of it. Yeah.
Yeah,
and you might notice that we are in different skins. Now it's because of Halloween.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ow! I am the pig.
Yes. The pig's actually the fat ass lazy slacker.
No, and she is the Miko from the anime.
Yes, I'm more beautiful than you. Okay, so we're gonna start the challenge in. Excuse me, this is my chest. Hey, take something. Hey!
I put back my things lah. It's my things. I didn't take anything. Okay, so we take our things.
Okay, we are starting. Wait, I had fish. You took it.
I don't have anything. I don't even have.
You took it.
No.
What do you have?
I didn't take anything.
Once you look in my chest, now I suspicious you already. Stupid demon
Now
child.
what are we supposed to do in this? What's the
Okay, so
challenge?
I need to change this to. Oh wait, you need to change it. Because it's my server. Okay. We'll start in 3.
Wait, what are we supposed to get?
Please look at the board, blind lady.
We have to get these animals. Are you serious?
Yeah, that's why we were given carrots, but then I don't know where they go. AKA Kisabel stole them. Whatever. Okay, you can start in 3.
Yeah, I found carrots. Look!
They're stealing it from the pig there. This is what you have to complete. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! I'm not very fast. Okay.
That's a pig.
Ah!
No, I can just put myself in the pen.
Okay. Why not, right?
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. Horsey, come here. Horsey.
How do you get carrots?
I didn't get carrot. We were given leashes.
Hey, you stole my pig.
You can put yourself in the pen if you want.
There's no food.
Stupid.
Can we kill? Oh wait, I found melons from the jungle. We don't need ocelots, right? It's too hard to get ocelots.
No, we need ocelots, I think. I don't know.
I'll just look at the sign later. There usually should be a lot of animals in the jungle, but there's literally nothing for my luck. I am stuck in the water. Like a genius I am.
Like the genius. But you're not a genius.
Oh my god, you stole
Pig!
my pig and then
Pig, stay here first. Okay. I need to check what do we need to get, and then this pig just ran past me. Oh my god.
there's a piggy over there.
Yeah, it's actually cake, which is the pig. Okay. How do you place them? Okay, right next to the horse. Oh god, I'm so hungry.
That's why I took food. Come here.
I think I'm down of starvation. Ugh.
Go get some melons.
Yeah, I saw them. I don't know where they are now.
Oh, I took them, I think.
How dare
I
you!
think I took the ones
You
that
stole my
wanted.
melons.
So where do I put the pig?
In the toilet.
Where do
Go
I put
away.
the pig?
Toilet!
Where do I tell me where to tell
You
me
give me
where-
melon, then I tell you.
What?
You give me melon, then I tell you.
Wait, where are you then? Come.
Where are you? You
Yeah.
ask. Hey, I starving, then you ask me to come here. Siao are you? Hey,
So my pig ran away there.
good.
Here lah.
You melons, you give me melons, you skinny little pig.
Okay, tell me where.
Okay, follow me. This is your pen over here.
Oh, why is it so far away?
It's not. You're just blind.
Come on, piggy. I mean, come on, myself. There's like a pig right there.
Huh? Yeah, it's my pig.
It's yours.
Yeah. Come on, piggy. I needed to find out. No, go back to spawn, see where they're placed. Bro, come here. Come here. Come here.
I'm gonna go
Come
see.
here. Okay. Unleash. Okay.
Oi!
What?
How you do something?
It's my pig.
It's like the second last pen.
Okay. I know where it is. Outside the house.
Oi!
What?
You
What?
let my pig out.
No, I didn't. We didn't leash it to the fence.
I did.
I didn't touch your pig. There's evidence on screen. I videoed everything. I didn't touch your ass pig. Horse, get in. No, get in.
No, pig.
Horse.
Oh no, it's getting dark. And I gave you all my melons. Shit!
Are you
no, I
kidding?
don't want to film.
Just fight off the mobs.
I'm very bad at PvP. Watch me die. Where's my stuff?
Watch me die.
Shut up.
Watch me die. Dana, watch me die.
Get lost in these jungles.
Okay. Jungles have lots of mobs. What the heck are you doing?
I don't have
Okay, let's
food.
accompany each other to get food.
I don't have food. You,
Okay, let's accompany each other to get food. Okay?
I gave you all mine.
And I
That's a spider!
ate. Overreacting. Could you shut up? Could you learn
Oh
to
my god, it's following me! It's following me! Help me! Kill it!
Ooh, string. I got string.
How you need to name them?
Huh?
How
No?
do you name them?
Oh, if you want. Cause I thought it might be super easy, so yeah. Do we need to get an ocelot?
I don't think so. I saw a bunny.
There's lava.
Horse.
I found lava.
Can you get me melons?
I don't know where they are, and you're about to jump into that lava. You're like,
No, we
ooh,
never
YOLO!
Do we need to get chickens? Because I just passed one.
Oh my god, there's a creeper! Run! It's a creeper, bye.
Chicken.
There's a creeper!
Where? He's not that near me.
Goodbye then.
Do we need chicken?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Come here, chicken. Let's go. Don't go in the water. You just went in the water.
I don't know where we're supposed to go back.
Oh, there's a creeper!
I told you! You're supposed to look at him like, you're not that far from us.
Ah, there's another creeper! Ah! Ah!
Come back up. Okay, there's a bunch of skeletons.
Yeah, I need food. Yeah, I'm giving my food. Yeah, I cannot run.
Okay,
This is not easy at all.
make
What
it
do you-
unsurvivable like mob.
This food,
Yeah.
but no more. No more.
See? It will start. I'm pretty sure you don't need a chicken and you're making instead of killing it to get food. But wait, I go check.
Oh my god! Where did my pickaxe go? What the hell? My pickaxe disappeared.
You want to go take it in creative or something?
No.
Okay.
It's okay.
I go and check if you need a chicken. And if you don't need it, you can kill it and eat it. Then you can put it back into survival mode when it's like, you know.
Yeah, you need a dog, you need a cat, you need a rabbit, you need a pig, and you need a horse.
There's no chicken.
Chicken. Sorry. I can't.
eh, eh.
So do we put it back into the difficulty?
Not yet.
Okay.
Are you still hungry? If worst comes to worst, you take the food from the animals.
What? No. We both have pigs.
I need to find that. Okay, change it back. Go get a stone sword. You want to go get a stone sword or something?
Help! I'm lagging and there's mobs chasing me.
Where? Where are you?
Help.
Oh my god, this idiot. Where? Where got mob? Oh my god.
Oh my god, he picked up my pickaxe.
Huh?
That's my pickaxe! Oh my god! Just
Wait.
hide in the pen.
That's your shovel, you idiot.
Why? I already have a shovel.
He's picking up a shovel. Okay, now he didn't drop the shovel.
Let's eat rotten fish.
Oh, I need. Oh my god, I got one. Yay. Eating rotten flesh. I didn't get the poisonous stuff.
Lucky.
I wanna go kill. Come here, come at me. Come at me, chicken. I love how you
Why
squat.
is it like...
Cause you don't know how to kill mobs. Don't get in my way. Rotten flesh.
Who is shooting? Oh, scared.
I'm running. Help.
Oh!
Where are you? Stop that, you idiot! Come back here. Oh my god, run away. You just...
It's a video.
Okay, there'll be a part 2. We are running for our lives right now. BRB.